It's a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. This comfortable Town & Country, packed with premium features, makes every trip across town or the country enjoyable. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: remote engine start, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and heated leather bucket seats. New Car Test Drive reports that Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.